Okay, so if you have some APK Plus files, maybe someone sent them to you and you're not able to install them because you're getting this, the file format is not supported. Here is how you can install them. So you just need to head over to the Play Store and search for CX File Explorer and install it. After installing it, open it, and if it asks for any permissions, just grant it all the permissions it needs, and then you need to navigate to where those APK files are. If I use my normal file manager, you see it's in my phone, backups, then apps. So I'm going to enter my main storage, then I'll tap backups and then apps. And these are the APK files. And as you can see, this time their icons are showing and I can tap on any of them to install them. I currently don't have Snapchat on my phone. So if I tap on this, it should ask me if I want to install it. I'll tap install and just wait for a few seconds for it to get done. If you tap on it, if you're using CX File Explorer for the first time, it's going to ask you to allow it to install applications from unknown sources. So you need to allow that. And as you can see now, I can tap install and I'll just wait for a few minutes and Snapchat should be installed. Okay, so you can see it says Snapchat is installed. Now if I access my apps, Snapchat is here, so I can open it for the first time and start doing what I need. Wow, still has my info.